Hello, hello. I am back for a bit more stream. Yeah, not too sure how long I will do today, but maybe we can at least fix the raycast. That would be a good next thing to fix, and then the other stuff I don't think is too hard to fix. I mean, actually, all of them are a little bit. All the bugs can be quite painful to fix, but let's find out. The array might be actually the easiest one to fix. So what I did is I took out from the shader that we are changing the terrain. And I click so that it stays this flat thing and we can debug it from there. That was the plan. So yeah. Have you ever considered an abstraction layer library over Vulkan? You mean something like NVARHI, what is it called? NVHRI or something like that? Was it NVHRI? Was it that? Yeah, I think, yeah. Yes and no. I did. But I only found out about it quite recently as well. It is something that I might look at in the future. I don't know. I really started this whole thing to learn Vulkan, but now I'm at a point where I kind of understand Vulkan and the concepts of it, and I implemented it once, so I'm open to probably changing it to like something more abstract, where we have like other APIs in the background as well, like DirectX and stuff like that. I've thought about the one that makes it feel like using OpenShare, but it's Vulkan under the hood. Okay. I don't know that one. But no, if I would change to an abstraction, then it would need to be like a benefit in terms of like, okay, I get like direct access while at the same point, or at the same time. Just for the sake of it, that it feels like OpenShare, I don't think I would switch. We didn't. God damn it! I didn't change it fully. Then I need to get rid of that so that we get the mouse position all the time. And that's that. And now we can do it. Alright, so that should be good. So now we can start here, this one. Damn it. And let's make this full screen. Almost full screen. Go here. Have the mouse here. Capture. I'm even considering doing like that, right? Because that should be probably... No, actually I want to have it like that. Something like that. And then that is the edit one. And then we go here, go debug, bam. And then probably here, run forwards. And yeah, we have an enter and an exit, which makes sense, I think. So the ray direction is pretty much, yeah, that looks not too bad. Current point is 161032. That's a little bit bizarre. Because shouldn't it be... Where's my ray origin? Okay, I mean that makes sense, right? We're 16, so that makes sense. But the 11 here makes not too much sense. And 32 inside, that makes sense again. But the 10 or 11 doesn't. Or does it? I mean, maybe it does. I don't know. So we have a voxel chord 161032, which makes sense because I mean that was my current point is basically. And then we instantly have a hit. Okay, that's sus. That is pretty much sus. So let's go to generate. Well, actually edit volume shader. And I think what I would want to have is here. Voxel, current voxel is that, and then let's get that, and then we can have the more info here. And then let's launch that again. Alright, so let's do that again. Pipeline. Debug 000. Let's go down here, run forwards. Now we have 15632. Which I guess is fine. Now we convert all of that. So, and then we have a current voxel here. which is at 0, 0, 0. What? Because my voxel index is pretty much blown out of proportion. $15,632. Is that not it? I mean, that would explain why we have... That would actually explain the other bug that we have. Which is this one. Maybe they are combined. So that doesn't work, I guess. Okay. Isn't that what it should be? Because we have global ID. Plus grid size X times global ID Y plus grid size Y times global ID Z. Isn't that what that is exactly here as well then? Grid ID, voxel cord ID plus grid size times voxel cord Y plus that plus voxel cord Z. But maybe that is not correct. What is the point? 15.6.632. But I mean, isn't that what it should be? 15.632. Oh, but we are outside the scope. Because our grid size is... Is that then 31 actually? Is that what it is? Oh my god. Wanted to do another sample, but was not running in. Okay. So then we have here this one. And then this one. And we run forwards to here. And then we have array origin like that. Then we have this, which now it is a valid voxel and it's 14.5.31. And we have a gradient. Okay, so that's good. And then we go further. $14.429. Okay. Let's see, where do we go? Run forwards to cursor. Has hit through 14.125. Okay, let's see if that actually works now. So let's abort that. Let's fix the shader again to do the sphere. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay. I mean, it's really hard not to do that, right? Because we always end up in the instantly in the edge. So we should fix it like that. Bring back. I mean, it's pretty much working. It's a little bit offset, maybe. But it's definitely better than before because now you can actually click and edit where you want it to work. Yeah, that definitely works better. But I am not sure where that is coming from. That's good. I think the rest of the offset is because the window is a little bit scuffed. Maybe we want to now actually see where the mesh is broken and why it's broken. So let's see, how would we do that? Probably first do... Maybe we can find an easy way to reproduce that and break it. Oh, that is already broken, right? Yeah. Okay, so we Why did that break? God damn it. Can I debug that now? Probably not, right? Yeah, it's not working. Perfect. Ah, that's always crashing immediately. But I don't have anything to look for then in this case. Probably is something with the... If we're less... Oh, we can't be less than 0, right? Oh, yeah, no, we can. Yeah. Or the grid size. Maybe we do that -1. Maybe it has to be like that. But then even that should be fine, right? No, that can't be that, I think. Think it should be maybe something like that. Maybe that already helps. That we don't divide by a 0. Oh god. How did I break that? Oh no, it's broken again. You know what? What if we do in the generate? No, we actually already do that correctly now, right? Yeah. So it can't be that. How would I be able to debug that if it always crashes as soon as I capture? Because it doesn't crash when I do a capture right at the beginning, right? So it doesn't crash here. No, it doesn't. And then, oh, it didn't crash. It didn't crash. Perfect. So it's probably that I want to have this pixel here. And then in static mesh, I want to debug exactly this pixel. Okay, the word position doesn't look too bad actually. So actually that doesn't look too broken. How many mesh vertices? 26,000. It will be hard to find something in there, I guess. Oh, we could look at the mesh viewer actually. Now that I think about it. We might be able to select that. Okay, that doesn't look too wrong. That one is a broken one. Hold on. That is sus. Why is that happening? There's a couple ones that write out wrong data. Because they have a W that's broken. How can that happen? But the normal looks... it looks funky as well, maybe. Yeah, everything is kind of weird for those. Then this one is 21, 21, and then suddenly that, yeah. Oh. It's 0, 0, 0, 0. That's bizarre. It's as if the vertex count is maybe 1. Let's see if that fixes something, but then how can the vertex count be 1? Well, if it's 2, it's broken as well, right? So let's do those 2 edge cases, but I'm not quite sure how that can happen. But let's just ignore those cases if that is the case. And let's see if that fixes something. No, it doesn't. Okay. So it's not something like that. Something else then. So we removed all of those already. So it can only be... But even then, this is always 1 here. So the only thing I can imagine is that the trigger fan center, for some reason, is wrong. Volume junk load request. So we do that, we do all of that thing, then we do a while here. So that might be interesting, maybe we should think about that. vertex count. And then we do that. I mean, maybe we should do a remove here as well. So if we go to that one, and where are the line segments here? Nope. Dup, dup, dup. While vertices equals that, we remove that duplicate basically. And I think we remove it as well from the same, right? I mean, we remove the beginning, but does that really matter? No, I don't think so. I don't think that matters. Which end we remove from. So let's start that again. Don't think that will fix our issue, but who knows, right? Did that fix it? No. I didn't. But is it just that we are not handling that case correctly and then we create like weird vertices, or? I don't think so, because even then all of that shouldn't matter. But we might be able to actually verify where that happens, right? So 19,226. Or can we verify that? No, not really, right? God damn it. Maybe debug this vertex? No. That doesn't really help. Can I? No, I cannot debug that, which is unfortunate. I mean, I could try to write out where that fuck up is happening, maybe. Maybe that's an ambiguous case, I don't know. But I guess we'll find that out. I could write into the normal, maybe the but I mean, I think that's the triangle fan, right? That's like weird. Basically. But even then, why is it 0, 0, 0, right? Is there maybe some garbage in the volume thing? A gradient. Maybe we have some garbage in there, and then that causes issues. But even then, if it would be garbage, then we would have nuns, right? If it would be some unreasonable thing. I don't think there is too much stuff in here that's broken. Oh, that looks all fine. Okay, so I think what we will do is write out the index. It's broken. We could actually try that with the printf, but I'm not too sure how that works and how I can do that nicely. But maybe we do that because I don't want to add another. I mean, I think that would be actually the easiest one though. To just add another like thing to the buffer. For now. Basically add another vector plus one vector 3 f plus one vector 3f, and then in the edit actually no, never mind, that's not what I wanted. We don't need to have that here. So the only thing we need to do is voxel here vector voxel index voxel index. Voxel index. Oh, we don't want it there. Never mind, actually. Because I don't want it here. I want it in the output. Vertex. But where is that defined? Ah, it's in here or and then that. God damn it. Maybe we actually do that differently. Mesh, like maybe we do a mesh vertex here. We have a vec3 voxel index that basically contributed to that one. And that's a mesh vertex. And then we do all of that. Okay. And now we do all of those and all of those. Vertex is 0, I think that is fine, and then this one is like that. And we do vertex index. Alright, so I think that should do it. And then we need to add the triplanar one. In here we do a vec3 in voxel index, I don't know. Who cares? I don't. And then here, that one actually needs to be times the size of Vec3. Okay. Might work. Probably it did a mistake in the shader. If I would have to guess. Of course I did. 116. What? Unexpected left brace. Why? Oh, maybe we need to do it like that, right? Probably have to do it like that. Damn it. Oh my god. Please. Alright, so let's restart. God damn it. I need the one from... What? That mesh vertex? Oh, no. Position, normal, voxel index. Isn't that how it should be? In 144. So here. Oh. Position. Dot position. Makes sense. But now it works, right? I mean, that looks fine, actually. Okay. It almost looks fine. Shouldn't that be enough? That I did the adjustment here? Or is there somewhere else where I have to change it? I don't need to change anything here. Maybe... Static mesh. No, but that should be fine, right? Shouldn't it be fine? That vertex data here. Should be fine. Where does that go wrong? It's definitely going somewhere wrong, right? Otherwise it would not look like that. But I think we have it saved everywhere. But it clearly is busted. How come that's weird? Pipeline. Debug. That looks fine. Or actually it doesn't look fine, never mind. Maybe we should do a back 4 just to be on the safe side. Alright. Back 4. Zero. Point oh. I don't know. Might be like the alignment, right? That's like fucked. Because it didn't look fine at all. So that one and that one is saved, and then let's see. Is that better? I mean, not really. Huh? How come that's even weirder than before? I mean, that looks fine. Oh, is it the mesh? Wait, is it the... Is it the depth pass? Vec 4, Vec 4. Vec 4. Huh? What is the problem now? I mean, that should work. What is your issue? Ah. XYZ. Sure. I mean, almost. How did that even work beforehand? What? Triplanar. That's all correct, or is it? Out components I vertices position number blah, and then vertices I that, and then vertices that. I mean, that looks all fine. That is this. Ah, wait, are we not maybe? We might have not adjusted. Yeah, we didn't. Although, should that make a difference? I am not sure. It should probably not, but... Oh, but... Hold on. No, I mean, that should be still the same, right? Or is it not too large of a buffer or something like that? God damn it. What did I break? I mean, there's clearly something wrong, right? Not even sure why it's wrong though. Because I mean, that shouldn't be a thing anymore. It's like, why is that broken? Okay, mesh vertices. It's busted. Cool. Why? Why and how is that broken?
Walking city streets with worn cobblestones, listening to people
Okay, let's revert everything, I guess, again. I don't know.
all their own. Life passing me by, not thinking how the years have flown until I met you.
And let's try to revert that here again.
Say that it was
And then let's revert it in the pre-depth as well.
I won't say that
Or there we even should do it like that, in my opinion.
if not, what could it
And then let's get rid of that again, for whatever reason again. I have no idea why that is even broken to begin with. And then let's build that, let's build that. That should all be fine. And we are busted, okay. What the hell is going on? What? So the voxel grid... Wait. I think I did that wrong, right? Okay, so I think that was the issue, that it was still in the voxel grid. Yeah. Okay. Got that. So we can add it here again. And then we can add that again. And we have to beautifully add everything again here. I mean, can I maybe do... Hold on, maybe I can do that, right? Maybe I can do that if I do here a vertex. I don't know. Let's hope that works. And then a vec3 here. GR global invocation ID. That would be the best if that works. And then let's do that as a vec3 here. And we do it in the pre-depth as a vec3. And we do it in triplanar as a vec3 in voxel index. And then we close that, we go here. God damn it, okay, well maybe that doesn't work. Generate volume 144. Oh, well. That was stupid. But that means that other stuff works, right? I mean, maybe not, okay. Maybe let's do a vec4 just in case. Because, yeah, we have... so that's a vec4 then. And then in 3 depth. Vec4. And in 3 planar we do as well a vec4. Because why not? Ah, god damn it. What? Not enough data provided. 144 again? Did I always forget that? 140. Oh my god, I really did. That line is just invisible to me, I guess. 2 times a mistake in that line. Oh, okay. That works. Perfect. So let's break it. Oh, it's already broken. Perfect. Oh, well. Didn't have it on render doc. Oh, come on. No, I don't get it to break or what? For fuck's sake, really? Ah, yeah, now it's broken. Perfect. Oh no. Is that now that it's... Oh, let's see what the mesh is about. Okay, now that is actually a broken thing here. And then we have 28 and 25. So we can go here, do that. 28. 25, 10, was it? God damn it. Oh my god. $28, 10, 25. Okay. 28, 10, 25. 28, 10, 25. Debug. Is that correct? So, yeah, that looks good. So then we generate all of that crap here. Run forwards, 3 components. 3 components, okay. Wait, 3? 3? Okay, that looks fine. Those look fine. Vertex count 6. Vertex count 8. Look fine as well. Then this one is kinda busted. So why does it say component count 3? Why does it say component count 3? Generate mesh. Where do we do the components? Oh, here. I mean, maybe. But even then the component would be empty, right? But it still has vertices 10. So all of them are garbage. Not all of it is garbage. But most of it is. can I somewhere times E? Isn't that super huge? Isn't that a super huge value? Yeah, I mean that is pretty much a huge clusterfuck. So let's debug that again. Let's go to generate mesh. And let's go here for now. Run forwards to cursor. Okay, okay. It's fine. That's fine. That's perfectly fine as well. That's fine as well. How many? No, not 6. How many line segments do we have? 5. So that should be the last one. But for some reason we entered that line segment. Hold on, next line segment. While we have added I mean, even that doesn't make any sense. Never mind. Okay, no, we need to debug that. That doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay, so we go in here. We say vertex count. Edge index 2. Component index 0. Okay. Run forwards? No. What? Where am I? What? Oh my god. That would be a pain to debug, not gonna lie. But I think I will call it a day for today. But yeah, we fixed that one, right? And I think, well, we kinda know where the problem is. More or less. Generate mesh. And then we trace the segments. That's all nice and dandy. Component index. Run forwards. Toggle breakpoint here. Component index 0. And that's outline segment, which is... Well, actually... out segment. Is that not how it should work? Okay, maybe not. Hold on. Why do we do that? Out components. Where do we actually run forwards? Huh? What? Yeah, something is wrong here. Even the second one is already wrong, right? Yeah. Oh wait, are we not maybe resetting the vertex index? Vertex index. I mean, that is definitely a mistake. We should definitely, when we add a new component, reset the vertex index here. And then yeah, we add 2. Which probably is a mistake anyways. Or do we add 3? Oh wait, it's... it's 6 and then we add 2 more, which is anyways wrong. So that's another issue, but we definitely should reset the vertex index. But even if that's the case, I mean, I don't know. That is definitely not too good. But that's probably more correct now already. And might fix that issue. But we might have other issues still. Oh, actually it didn't fix it completely. Or wait, no. It did, but we didn't recompile. Because we need to change the shader for it to work. Well, we still have issues here, which is maybe the ambiguous cases, right? Whoa. Okay, well, we got some issues. But why? Ah, whatever. I don't really... Is it that we are... Fascinating. Only on one side where we are broken. Oh well. Something we can look at tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining. I think we fixed one issue, but probably not all of them, as we can clearly see. I'm curious where that flickering comes from. But yeah, we will tackle that tomorrow. Thank you very much. We fixed like the ray tracing, which is a good thing. So we fixed that one. And we kind of fixed that, but we made it maybe worse now. I don't know. We would need to find out why there is like 2 vertices that are left over. But yeah, that's something I will look at. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a nice rest of your evening. See you tomorrow at 7:30. And yeah, some good progress today. Bye bye. Have a nice evening and see you.